A ring of roses, a pocket full of posies.
Evidence has shown that droplets from a sneeze, not caught by a tissue, can travel up to 3 feet, so the virus could be inhaled and infect anyone within that radius. Always cough, sneeze, and wipe or blow your nose using a disposable tissue, not a handkerchief. A used tissue is infectious, so it's really important that you throw it away immediately into the nearest waste bin. Never keep it for a second use. Then always wash your hands thoroughly. Try to make it a habit to carry clean tissues with you. If someone is sneezing or coughing near you, turn away and shut your eyes.